Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting a manageable length of thread and threading your needle now. Leave a short tail of about 3 to 4 inches so you can form the knot. Once done, pinch the two ends together between thumb and forefinger and make sure the thread lies flat with no twists. This helps the knot seat cleanly. You will use simple tension and a single wrap first, so focus on steady hands. Do not rush, because control prevents slippage or fraying. You make an overhand knot by wrapping the short tail around the standing length one time, creating a small loop. This is the essential first knot. Then you guide the tail back through that loop, and while holding the standing thread taut, pull both ends evenly so the knot cinches close to the fabric or end point. Once pulled, flatten the knot with your thumbnail to secure fibers together. This reduces slipping. If necessary, repeat a second wrap to increase bulk. You finish by sliding the knot down to the fabric and tightening it with even pulls so it sits flat and secure. Make sure not to over-tighten, which can distort the material. If you need extra hold, tie a second overhand knot on top of the first, then flatten it. If the thread frays or slips, moisten the end lightly with water or a tiny dab of glue, and trim. If using synthetic thread, a careful melt with heat can seal the tip. Use caution and test first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.